Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about the filter activity in Azure Data Factory. So basically, let me give you the scenario what we are going to use here. So basically, what we are going to do as a part of scenario. So we have different source file. So let's say we have text file and CSV file. So what we are going to do, either we will take text file or we'll take CSV file using filter. So we are going to apply filter using this condition. So once I will do practically, you will more understand. And as a part of this activity, as a part of this video, we are going to use two activity. First is get metadata and second is filter activity. So get metadata I have already explained in my previous video, so you can watch out the same. So using get data activity, I will fetch the file, basically all the files, and filter activity, I will basically filter out either CSV or text. Okay, so let's start. So first, let me show you the file. So we have this file, customer, order, product, and sales. So if you see here, we have these three files are text and sales is XLSX. So if I try to filter out dot text, then I will get only this sales dot XLSX. If I try to filter out this one, then I should see this one. So let's try to implement the same here. So what I will do, let me create new pipeline and I can give name, let's say filter activity. Okay. And then let me take, as I mentioned, get metadata activity first. So now let me configure this. So in get metadata activity, basically, let me select the source. So source basically this DS input, which I have already taken. So let me show you. If I open this, so I'm basically fetching file from source location and I haven't given any name because I want all the files. So let me show you. This is the source location. If you see here, and I have all these files, you can see here. Okay. So now let me get back into the filter activity and now I can choose the field list. So in field list, I can choose here child items, since I need all the child items, all the files from that source folder. Okay. Okay. Now I have configured the get metadata activity. Now let me take the filter activity and let me link this filter activity to get metadata activity. Okay. So if I click on filter, I have this general, and then setting, I need to do configure items as well as condition. So in item, basically what I need to do, I need to take the output from get metadata. So get metadata activity dot output. So I have basically chosen this. However, I also need to add that items. I need child items. So I have just added this child items here. So it is good so far. Okay. Now let me add the condition, add dynamic. So what I need to do here, I need to basically use one function, string function for Azure Data Factory. So let me show you a string function. So I need string ends with. So I need string. So my string is basically I will take item dot name. So item dot name is nothing. Basically it would be the output of that get metadata activity. So basically it will call here in the item, child item, and the second thing is text. So let's say I'm taking text. Okay. So this is the string which I need to pass. So there are two parameter, item.name and text. So why I took name? So whenever we create metadata activity, so it returns two object, name and type. So I need name from that items. That's why I choose item.name. So I will show you at the end of this video. Now it's configured. Okay. Now let me run this. Publish this first. So it's publishing. It will take a while. Once it is published, then we can debug and see the result. So it is published. Now let me debug. So it's running basically. Once it is executed, I will show you the output. Okay, it got published. So if you see here, first my get metadata activity starts. So if I show you, it takes basically the child items as an source, and DS input basically was my source, and child items I have to taken as an field list. Now if I show you the child items, so you can see all these files like customer.txt, order.txt, product.txt, and sales.xlsx. See, these all four files. Now it has received as an input all these files, and in the output, see here, now it has received four files, and after filtering it has returned only three, because I was looking for only text file. So you can see that you are able to see only text file. You have received four, after that it got filtered, and you received three. Okay, now let me show you that get metadata activity. I have told you we have two objects, name and type. So that's why I return dot name there, because I was looking for name. Now let's try to exclude that dot text. Let me change this. So now let's say I'm looking for XLSX. So I can mention XLSX. So if you see here, yeah, XLSX. Okay. Now let me publish this again. Once I run this, after that you will able to see uh, in the filter condition, after filter condition you will able to see only XLSX this time. So let me debug. So again it will take a while. It got succeed. So again it has taken all the four files, and if I show you this time here, so see item 4, and then filtered out, after filtered out only one. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you everyone.